In today's video, we're heading back up to northern Indiana chasing after salmon and steelhead. I brought a buddy along, and after hearing from the locals that the bite was on, we loaded up and our mission was simple: get those bobber downs. We put in the work, caught some smaller ones, and just when we thought we'd have to head home empty-handed, well, you'll have to stick around and see what happens at the end.
And I'm gonna have to get ready, so let's do that one.
This is a good thing about today. Gas is $2.76.
So what do you think the outcome is gonna be today? You think we're gonna have a high success rate? You think we're gonna catch some 20, 30 pounders? Or do you think we're gonna go home with absolutely zero? Got old Shane over here with me, and we are rotted down. And we're about to be en route, so here we go.
Oh yeah.
I better be on my best behavior because we got Michigan City police.
Turning into an animal right now because we got everything we need right there in one little bag. Got raw shrimp, non-raw shrimp, what do they call that? Cooked shrimp. We got some sinkers, bobbers, and everything else because we're gonna get some bobber downs. That's what we're doing. What we don't have a clue is where the vehicle went. I went the wrong direction.
It says your kiss is on my list.
After some fun car karaoke, we made it to our first spot, and it was time to get rigged up. We had split shots, bobbers, the sharpest hooks in the world, shrimp, spawn sacks. Hopefully this was going to be enough just to even catch one of them, but we were a little
I
uncertain.
haven't even seen a coho big enough to make skein out here.
I didn't even know that was a thing.
Berkeley Fusion. Nothing sharper than a Fusion 19.
I'll die on that hill.
Raw shrimp, cooked shrimp, and we're getting set up.
It's real skeined up. That smells like just absolute dookie dick.
Is that about a teaspoon?
Yep.
Looks like a teaspoon to me.
Take it and then take your magic string and tie it around.
Oh, it's juicy.
That'll hold. We got bobber down going on. Oh, it's a little guy. They're super little. Nope, missed them. You know what? I'll catch a little one just to break it. Oh my gosh, they're even jumping out of the air. Oh, there's all kinds of them. Where's Big Mama though? Oh, how? It's right here in the shade pocket. They seem to be hitting a lot more than right out here in the open in the sun. Right around that bend bank. We got a lot of debris out here. We're letting that bobber float, or that bait float down probably about 3.5 feet. It looks like it's about 3.5, 4 feet deep out here. Might need to get it closer to the roots or closer to this jam up. They are eating it. He's got it right now. It's just they're not eating it.
Yeah.
He's got it in his mouth. I see him actually. I see him. He's got it right now in his mouth. Is he gonna pull it down? No.
Look, boom. Instantly.
Yeah, but we want big ones to do that.
I know. And you never know which one's the big one.
Oh, you're definitely gonna get bobbed on with shrimp.
The only reason I'm doing that is because of how quickly they're ripping my spawn sack apart. I went through two instantly. I was like,
Really?
yeah.
Did you tie it enough times?
I did one that I tied, and then I did one that Caleb.
I mean, I guess they do have teeth. Oh. I think mine's starting to lose flavor. You want to taste it for me?
Look at it.
Here, he's got it.
No.
Come on. Oh,
Baby boy. I know there's a big one under there, don't you?
like one just channeling under there.
I just want it to drift up in there.
Like the spawn sack would get a big one just because it's territorial.
Dude, right there, this whole corner.
The shrimp would get one if it's hungry. Boom, little coho smolt.
Call me the smolt slayer.
Smolt flare. Oh God, no. No.
Please don't. Watch out.
Oh, I'm getting bobbled on really good. Oh. Ah. Oh no. What the?
That was got thick ones down in there.
Oh. I thought something was literally jumping out of the water because you snapped it.
Can you reach it? Oh, the bobber broke anyway. Let's try to get it out of there anyhow though.
She's banked.
Yep, snapped off.
Ah. Oh, they want it. He's got it. Hit it. Smoke it. Let me know it's real. Oh, I got him. No way. On that. Oh, he came off. Dang it. The egg loop knot. Yeah, I got to learn that stuff. Once I start becoming active on these fish, gotta start getting these techniques.
Oh, he's gone.
That was the big one too. You really gotta stop doing this, bro.
I suck at fishing, but like I like to do it, so it doesn't really bother me.
Damn, dude.
that.
Oh, that's a bigger one. That's a bigger one. They don't ever get hooked, do they?
So this is what's going on in every hole that we're trying to.
Everyone, oh, he's good.
You think 20's chock full of people?
What that kid said, that he hasn't seen that many fish, so.
After a few hours, just picking up some dinks here and there, we figured we'd head upstream before heading off to our next spot. And then I hooked into something pretty wild. Not what we were after, but definitely a cool surprise.
Whoa! Whoa! Is it recording? Holy smokes, that's a freaking creek chub. Holy crap, I can lip a creek chub, bro. What?
Dude, that's a big.
We're out here trying to catch some salmon and steelhead, and I just catch an absolute critter unit of a creek chub. Look at that thing. The thing's even got a gut like a freaking largemouth bass. Golly.
Hey, bud. You just swam back up. It's like my life choices. Look at this massive creek chub. Oh. Yeah, swim that way. All right, we've been at this for a few hours here.
You want to go to the next spot?
I think we should be getting pretty close to going to the next spot.
I agree.
They're probably hitting at Johnson right now. Actually, I don't know where the heck they're hitting.
20 is right between here and Johnson.
Oh, 20 is?
20's right smack dab in the middle.
I think we can get a lot of dinks over there. By the standards of everything else we've scoped out, you would figure there'd be several laying through here, but we haven't got any kings or steelhead. Got a few smolt, a few coho smolt, and caught a massive creek chub. So that was pretty neat, I thought anyway. We saw a huge king. I tried to get some underwater footage, and that was pretty awesome. And that gives us actually all hope. Oh shoot, I got some bees on me. Oh God. Ah! Ah! Oh shoot, he's coming after me. We're off to the next spot. Screw those freaking bees. Jesus.
After no luck with the bigger fish, except for that surprise creek chub and that salmon that was passing through, the run-in with the bees had us moving real quick, so we decided to head over to a well-known spot.
It's a decent sizer.
Probably 15 inches.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Crow Creek Creek Crabs. That's my bro, see Caleb over here. Best freaking egg dealer in all of the Michigan City area. See that right there? Look at that. Kilo of eggs.
Oh,
Tied off for you, everything.
you want to try that?
I got one, dude. Absolute giant.
Look at that thing.
He throttled a giant. Oh my gosh. Animal abuse, PETA.
Are you gonna be okay?
PETA.
You didn't even touch
Yeah, he didn't touch it.
Where's my bamboo net?
4 pounds.
Wow.
Picture, please.
Oh, do you really want one?
You gonna be all right, bud? He's gonna be all right.
I think it's something different.
But it's still in.
Is that a baby steel? I think it's still a coho.
So many.
Still a coho. All right.
Just trout fishing.
Just out here catching some trouts. Getting all trouted up.
What's that one baseball player's name? Mike Trout.
Mike Trout.
Oh, no trout, baby.
Oh, how?
The little
It's starting to
loopers.
get the old loopers. Oh shoot, some just came out of that little bit of wood.
Is it big?
No, it's over here.
I give up.
He gives up. He's done. Heading down the creek a little bit, see if we can't see some shadows. Right now I don't see much going on. Oh, you little bit.
Free glow sticks,
Oh.
boy.
Free glow sticks. Heck yeah, not even out of the package. What?
That's gonna help us tonight when it gets dark. We can legitimately wrap a glow stick with the spawn sack string.
My skein's seen better days. Oh my God, he's coming. Oh my God, there's 2 of them. There's 2 of them. There's another one.
Oh, they're probably spawning right now.
Oh my God.
All right, time to put on new spawn sacks.
Dude, my heart is absolutely on.
They're here. There's so many of them.
Oh yeah.
We just talked about it. Now they're everywhere.
I was like, I think the next spot's where we're gonna connect.
About ready to leave too, and here they all come.
Yeah, look at them all. Oh my God. Some of those are good looking too. They're not all beat up.
We got a bite, but I don't know about the big one. I mean,
Oh, he's taking it.
was that a big one?
Missed them, yeah.
Oh yeah, he's still there. He's right there. He's right there.
Just let him go, let him go.
Oh my God,
Dude, you
dude.
had him
Oh.
right in his mouth.
Oh, he's gone. He's on. Oh, what is that? What is that?
The little guy.
It's like a steely.
Steelhead.
Oh yeah, little Steelers. Cool.
Thanks, buddy. This is so much fun.
This is crazy.
Here, yeah, let me.
Oh, they're fighting each other
Where?
right in front of us. Oh, and they're decent. Oh my God, dude.
They're up there.
Definitely on the spawn.
Ah, little guy.
Steelhead.
You want another Steely? No, I think it's a...
Yeah. He's stealing my eggies. You got every line of defense.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Oh, no.
Get that same snag I got.
Is that what happened?
Yeah.
Just ain't right.
I have one.
I've never seen it. There it goes. I'm gonna have to use a different bobber. It just ain't working.
Dude, these fish.
You want to bite its head off?
No, I just want to like.
Yeah, you're right, because that counts as your 5 limit.
He smells absolutely.
Oh, dude, they just shredded me. I've seen more people pull fish out of here than down there. That's if they have. But I don't know. There's another, there's another spot up creek, but I haven't ever been to it yet. But this one guy was telling me, he says he went there one day, and he got his limit within 15 minutes.
14 inches, maybe?
No, he caught 30 inches, and he showed. He went through his
Wow.
camera roll, and I was like, no way.
Dang.
Like, oh yeah, all in one day. You know, literally 15 minutes.
When do you guys think a good time to hit Johnson would be?
Whenever you're ready.
We spotted some big king salmon between those log jams, but no matter how much we cast, they just weren't into it. With the sun dropping quick, we packed up and raced to our last spot, hoping to pull off that sunset buzzer beater. Oh, I hope we have a lot of luck here, because this might be the last spot. There's what, 3 cars?
So that means this is everybody's last spot.
This is everybody's last spot right here. It's most cars we've seen since the first spot, when nobody was catching anything.
Just park clear of the boat ramp. Do you see a boat ramp?
Is this the boat ramp? Boy, that's a doozy.
Where's the boat ramp?
Well, who's getting boats in this?
There ain't no boats. I don't even know if you can get a canoe in this.
Yeah, no. Kayak would be hard.
My bobber down at. Pull it up. Pull it up. Pull it down. Come on. Oh, that was a good bob. That was a good bob. Do it. God. Oh, I did get him. Oh, a little one. I'm about sending him to orbit. Oh, there's something in there. Bobber downs on Mark's skein bags. Let's go. Got him. Little. How'd he come loose? There he is. Little one. Saw a bigger one in there. They keep coming off. Oh, they're not hooking good. Not very much luck today.
Bobber down.
Yeah, I was getting a lot of bobber downs. That's why I paused.
That looks like the juiciest little hole, doesn't it?
And I had like a decent 10 plus on there when I first cast it. So I was like, all right. They really do eat these eggs up though. Any kind of keeper. It'd be nice.
Wouldn't it? I think that's fucking really out, dude.
Man, if you want to get the creek, I got to do this natural bridge here. Which one's better? This one? Right back here. What is this? Oh my God, there's a log over there too. Oh, no. No. Yes. Oh, they're little. I see them. Oh, he's on the bank and he's back. Oh no. This is not good. My reel binded up. Dang it. Can't even see in there. Oh, there he is. What do we have this time? He is a little creek chub, actually. Wow. Okay, never mind. No creek chubs. It's big bobber downs. Oh, that was a good size. That was a good size too. Always technical difficulties towards the end. Come on. There he is. What is he? There we go. What is it? It is another creek chub. What? Really? Came out here to fish for creek chubs, huh? Another beautiful spot. And I got some deer grazing right behind me. I don't know if you can see it up there. She's grazing on me. She's right back there, aren't you? I see you. Oh, what is it? Oh, we actually got some deer. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. It's almost a keeper. Very little 10 inch. That's cool. Look, I got all these deer looking at me too. What you doing? You heard me.
You see those deer right there? They're right in front of you. They're looking right at you.
It's really neat.
There's some decent little cohos lighting it up over here. Oh my God, there again. There you go.
Oh, he's way small. Way small. Uh-oh, foul hooked him too. Somehow. There he is. That's a decent one. Decent little guy. That is freaking creek chub, man. Yo. What? It's a creek chub. We got deer staring. We caught a few smaller fish, possibly a couple keepers, and even ran into some deer along the way. But just when we thought things were wrapping up, something big happened. Oh, he's in the juice, dude. He's in the juice.
I told you, brother. Here.
He's in the juice. Oh my goodness. Is he in? No. What is it?
It's a steelhead.
Steelhead? No way.
You got him, bro. You got him.
No way.
Fuck yes, bro.
Another one?
Hell yeah, we did it.
My goodness. Oh my.
You would have never thought.
Oh no, I seen him in there and he came
That's
up and bit it.
Can't believe I got another one. It's just crazy. And I'm having Shane take the dang hook out. That's what it's all about. Trail Creek steelhead. Got us a little hen right here. Probably about what, 3 pounds? About a 3-pound hen. Beautiful critter. That's what it's all about though. Are we keeping it?
Yeah.
We're keeping it. What we have? Yeah, 21 inches. It's a big king. Come on. Oh, God, he touched it.
No, I can see him though, and I can just piss him off, right?
Is that what happens? Is that how it works?
Oh.
Oh, come on. Eat it. No, don't grab it. Oh my God, they're fighting. There's another one. Dude, that other one thought he was fighting anyways.
I'll eat that one.
Oh, come on, eat it, dude. Come on now. He ain't wanting it, is he? At all. Yeah, he wasn't hungry at all.
That was cool, wasn't it?
That was cool. Oh, shit.
You good?
We are now. Story has it, Shane's still out there trying to make his last cast. Probably not getting on any big kings either. So if you want to see some more big fish being caught, possibly a steelhead, you might want to go ahead and check this out. Until next time, I'm Zach. Keep it real.